Hi guys! Today I'm going to be doing an Animal Jam episode, also known as AJ, and yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna trade her a bow. Rare, okay. Rare. Oh, I don't want to do this, but wait, actually I do. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, I am. Okay. Let me say add me. They want back. Okay. Let's test it. Ooh, that looks so much better. Sure. Okay, I like this bow better. Yeah, I'm perfect. Okay, if you guys want to add me, my username is Medina578 down here. Here's a tour of my den. And if I get over 50 likes, or I guess 30, then I'll get a membership, I think. Welcome. She loves the bow I gave her. So, you guys are gonna watch me play. And so I'm talking to my friend right now. Let me tell her. Okay, never mind. So I have a code, and I think it's called Explorer. I don't really remember, but just try that, guys. Yeah, it's just Explorer. So let's tell her more trades. Forgot to put a question mark. So I'm here. Trade me, please. I don't wanna. Okay. Wait, sorry. What do you mean? Does she want it back? Wait, no, she doesn't. Trade. No, I'm doing that. I don't know why. Hey, a Pondo something. Oh, what's a Pondo? All about. Anyway. Tell us what you know by entering the latest. Wait, whatever. I don't want to do it. Unfortunate. That's okay. 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 It's my last trade. I'm doing that. I don't know why. I know she's gonna say no. Bye. Oh, it's full. So. Oh. I really want to show you a cool game. Not here. It's in the arcade. It's called Best Dressed. Here. I love this game. It really rocks. It gives you so much gems. Okay. Gotta wait. That was weird. Come on, hurry up. So we have all these cool stuff, and I really want them. I also have another account that I think I had member on. I don't really remember. Yeah, I had member, and I lost the password. I know. That really is not good. So make sure to save your passwords and never tell them. Ooh, that matches with my blue. Wait. Start the game, start the game, start the game. I know, it always takes so much. Like, if it doesn't start in 10 seconds, we're leaving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Goodbye. Well, I'm sure you guys know how to play this game if you have been on HC for a long time. Or, I mean, you don't have to be on a long time. Okay, so there's gonna be a letter. Oh, no, never mind. Ninja. Okay, let's dress like a ninja. No, we're all black. I think purple is good. Okay. So you can, if you don't dress like a ninja, you might get to the like lead, because a lot of people don't usually want other people to win, so they just click it for the one that is bad. So yeah, I've tried that and I've won first place. Oh, so that's what that is. Oh, I could. Okay. Long story. Long story. Vote for me. I'm gonna vote for the one that doesn't. Wait, I think she's gonna win. That's me right there. Disco. Yes! Second place! That was not bad. At least we got a lot. Look, we got 150 gems. So that's a really cool game. And yeah. I really like this bow. It's really pretty. Did she unfriend me? No, that girl unfriended me. We did really good trades, as you saw in the beginning. Okay, let's do more trades. I never knew that hand thing was what was at on your feet. After all these years, I've been playing Jam for like just a year. I don't know. Come on, have the hand, have the hand. I really miss my old account. Wish I had it. Anyone have a good trade? Ooh. So she's a member? Okay, she can get a prize. I mean, she can buy a prize. A gift. Just checking if she doesn't. Okay. Her done. Let's go. Hope I win. Groovy. Look at this. So, I'm guessing that... Never mind. Oh yeah, let's change your look. Okay, I'm gonna be a purple person. Oh, here are my friends, my great friends. This is one, and Superstar is one. Okay. So they're really good at this game. They've been on for a lot. So I guess this is it. Just if you want to add them. So this is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like so I can get membership. Bye!